for letting me sleep in this morning. Gas tank's running on empty a little bit here. We got a fun day planned. We're going over to Dead Man's Beach, surfing widows, hopefully catch some fish, playing the tide pools. Should be a good day. Clayton took me and the kids the other day and it's a sweet spot. And we were like, gotta have a beach day here. So I'm gonna show it off to you guys. I just wanna go ahead and brag a little bit. This mom is freaking amazing. She gets up, cooks us all breakfast, gets screamed at the whole time, and does it with a frown on her face. So
a frown?
How is it? Oh, okay, I'm about to try it. She's whipping mine up right now. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Beautiful breakfast.
You're welcome.
She's hiding because she says she doesn't look good, but she's beautiful. Doesn't matter what her hair looks like.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, fishing in your boat?
All right, guys. Been on this trip over 2 months and we've never pulled the fishing pole out, so we're gonna bring it out today. Super excited. Don't really have any lures. Our friends are probably gonna bring some for us, but we got some little circle hooks, so maybe we'll try to catch some live baits, maybe some crabs, and sling them out there.
Some pippies.
There's no pippies on this beach, unfortunately. But we can still dig up some crabs, maybe catch some little bait fish in the tide pools, and put them on there and see if we'll smash it. Yeah! Whoa! What are you doing in here surfing? Let me see. Stand up, stand up. Whoa, Bubba, good job.
So this is our friend's driveway, you guys. Look at this thing.
So what's funny about their driveway is we went and stayed at their house in Fiji, and their driveway there, or the road to their house there, was intense. So it's funny that they live on a really steep driveway here in Australia also.
I don't know if the video does it justice, but like, it is straight down. Wow.
It's beautiful though.
Look, Mom just came out with a new thing. 2 backpacks on my back. That once we get here, she's gonna be really happy and everybody's going to have a great time.
And she won't want to leave.
And she won't want to leave. It's okay.
We got to walk down to the point a little bit, so we still got a little walk, but check this place out, guys. How's this place, Mom?
It's absolutely beautiful.
All the kids bombing the sandhill? That's dope, isn't it, babe?
That is so cool. I want to do it.
That's so cool. Look how big that hill is.
Are you a little rock climber? Huh? Wow. That's so cool. Come on, let's go check out the tide pools. Come on. Come on. This is up there in our nice shady spot.
How's those tide pools, Mom?
Look at these fishies. There's little baby fishies swimming. Mariah's breaking in her wetsuit with a little pee. Pop would never.
Ever, ever. Mama getting a little fishing in? It's beautiful, huh?
Ooh, it's nice.
Look at this, guys. Alright. What are you gonna do? You gonna go slide down the hill?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta get that one too, Xander.
First time you did it?
Like 10.
Oh. How old are you now?
10.
So the first time you ever did it is now?
Yeah,
What? That's sick. All right, we're gonna do judging on these boys' jumps, 1 through 10. All right, Calvi. What? Are you wild? Whoa! Oh my God! What? Ah! Okay, that was definitely a 10.
Keep solid 0 out of 10.
Okay, goodness.
What? Oh my gosh! Soul! I'm giving that a 9.
Oh!
Okay, that was pretty sick. I'm gonna give that a 9.5.
Soul sacrificed his entire body and she gave him a 9.
Okay, that was rude.
You alright, Soul?
Sorry, Soul, you get a 10.
All right, Mom, let's see it.
This looks scary.
Because it is.
Just run and jump? Yeah. I can't. Do it. I'll give you money. You're gonna give me money? Yeah. How much? He's gonna give me $1 if I do it.
Big air.
I stuck it. Come out.
Yeah, there's a point. I'll give you a 0.5.
I get $1 though.
Oh! Oh!
Xander wants to do it. He'll do better than I did. Did you like that, Bubs?
You did like it.
He loved it.
You want to do it again?
Do it again, Dad. Yeah. Let's see it, girl. Woohoo! Can you tell her bye? Kiss. All right, go get some, Dad.
How's that? Is that good?
Yum.
Are you making us some PB&Js, Mom?
Cheers. Yes.
Try to get a little fishing action in real quick. See how it goes. Sick little setup. Can you put us on something, please?
I'm trying.
Me and my boy chilling on the rock, watching Mama fish.
Look at this little cutie. Can I have a kiss? Mwah. I love you. Can you say beach? Beach. Beach day. Beach day. Aw, good job.
It's a trek up out of here, but it's worth it. Look at the sun. Everybody hiking out of here. Had a full day. We've been here since about 10:30, 11 probably. It's like 5:30 now, I think. Halfway there.
Halfway. Wow, there is no better sunsets than here in Australia. I have got to tell you.
Bye, guys. Woo!
Great day.
Run it back tomorrow.
Woo! What a great day with great friends in a beautiful place.
We're gonna load all this stuff up and get up out of here. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures. Phew!